Done. Hello, good morning, sir. Today, actually, market has opened gap up as just that in USA, that new president has taken oath. So US market are jumping. Last night they were closed on a good gains. So today we gave a gap up opening, but the bad part is in Bank Nifty spot there is a open high same. That is near 730 level. Okay, somewhere near same. Recently, our high is somewhere near that level only 720. So now for intra fresh up move, if you are going for a fresh up move, what I'll suggest, let's wait for this level to break. That level is 750 on spot. Once that 750 on spot in Bank Nifty breaks and market sustains above it, then we can think of fresh long. If not, then wait for fresh dips. Market will dip near like 32,500. So if any dip near that come, then we'll think about longs. For fresh longs, above breakout only in intraday. We'll have a look on 1 hour chart. This is what I'm talking about. Currently, market is at resistance, if you will see, and this is the resistance. So what I feel, if this high is not breaking up, these are the first that top resistance, then again similar there it took resistance. I'll mark it as red. Okay, then it will be visible. So here is the first time resistance took. After that market corrected again, that resistance chase up, then market again coming down. So what I feel in intraday, this gap, if market breaks morning lows, days lows, so this gap will get filled. The market can test up to 32,500 level. Now if that gap fills up, so in 15 minutes I am seeing one, 30 minutes I am seeing one pattern. I'll show you this one. If that gap fills, this is kind of making inverse head and shoulder, and this will give a big move in upcoming days. Again this one, this is left shoulder. Another one similarly we can make a head here. And here, if market dips up near this level, then another shoulder will be on making and then a breakout. So after that, if what I feel, if 200 point, 300 point correction came from a current level, that will be near till 32,350 level, then it will be a perfect buy on dips market. Above 32,750 level, market will be booming. Okay. So I'll be like bullish on Bank Nifty, but current levels is not good for trading. Either watch for a breakout or wait for a dip. Okay. Some of the stocks which were in my pick, I'll show you that one of my stock. This one, this is Grasim Industries. If I'll have a look on Grasim Industries on daily chart, so you'll see Grasim is facing resistance near 1045 level. It is not sustaining above 145 level. It, in fact, it is not giving any close above 1045 level. You can see clearly. Stock, someone is resisting this stock, this one. So what I feel, once this stock close above 1045, a day closing, okay, if it closed above this 1045, then I feel Grasim has a potential to move 100 points from here. Okay, so what I feel, once a close over 1045 level above this red line, then Grasim will start booming. Okay, another stock is in my pick. I'll show you this one, PEL. PEL, actually yesterday what happened, the last time the breakout was done from this one, this was the first resistance. After that it breaked out. Okay, yesterday PEL took support. It exactly retested that level and bounced with a sharp volumes, and it made a high of 1600. So now what is happening? PEL is just resisting today. Okay, so what I feel, it will take support in the level of 1580 to 1600 level. That will be the buying zone. I'm expecting 1650 levels in intraday in say afternoon sessions. After that, if it is able to take this 1646, 1650 level recent swing, then I'm expecting 100 to 100 point move in PEL. So what I feel, any dips toward like 1530 level is a clear buy on dips in PL. Current market price is 1600. Yesterday it clearly shows that buyers came into the market. It retested previous resistance level. So this type of picks will always boom. And the last one is Titan. Titan clearly shows, first it was the first bottom and the second one is second bottom. So it clearly made a double bottom pattern. So in this double bottom pattern, what is happening? After that, a bullish engulfing is being made at exact lower level. So it is a kind of good bullish signal. Okay, after that, Titan is continuously moving from 2 days. Now the good thing about today's in Titan is Titan having a open low is exact same 1532.60. Somewhere near 10 paisa or 20 paisa up and down, that is buffer. We don't see that. So it is happening a open low same plus it is trading above previous day high, that is 1545. So if it sustains here, so what I am expecting, 1575 to 1580 level in afternoon session. Meanwhile, market is already bullish, so perfect pick will be Titan. Okay, sir. For today, this much only, all the picks I told. I'll give you a much one like what happened in the stock tomorrow. Please, before taking any trade, consult your financial advisor. Thank you.